GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Govi, a vernacular edutech brand, skilling everyone everywhere.
Who's most likely to have all the industry gossip?
Sanjay knows all
Yeah, I was
the
just going to say, I was too scared to say it.
Sanjay knows everything that is.
Who's most likely to be the best dancer? No, Charmin will not say it's her because I think he would be the toughest on you from what I feel.
Yeah.
Who was it?
No,
Did
but he
scold
loves
the
you also
most?
so
Next
much.
one
He
is that.
scolded me.
Dukhdar, I don't think you carry Dukhdar.
No. Not
Listen, you get
Dukhdar,
emotional?
just emotion.
Well, not every day that you come across a show like Hira Mandi. Unfortunately, we live in a patriarchal society, but वो कहते हैं ना कि मर्दों का ज़माना रहा है और औरतों ने आफत मचाई है. And I'm sitting with 3 out of those 6 women who've actually created and are gonna create afat for all the men out in the industry. So watch out for Hira Mandi on May 1st only on Netflix. And yes, I have Charmin, Manisha ma'am and Sanjida join me for a conversation only on Galata India. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Diane.
for dressing
Thank
up
you.
the part and coming.
Yeah, lovely you look.
Not every day that we get to interview all the women who are part of this magnificent world of Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Absolutely.
And this is also my casting audition. No, it's not. but I'm just saying. हम लोगों ने ऐसे बात करना चालू कर दिया, you know, outside.
ऐसे?
I know, I heard it. I heard
ओ,
it.
आपसे इतनी देर गुफ्तगू करके हम थक चुके हैं.
I love it.
क्योंकि
They
हम
expect
सबने
Hira Mandi on
पार्ट
you.
एपिसोड देखे हैं इसके लिए.
हाँ.
और repeat
You
पे
know,
देखें.
we'll start off with a fun bit.
Okay.
It's called Who's Most Likely To, because you
Okay.
guys want to do the fun bit first.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give you like situations, and out of all the 6 of you, you have to tell me who's most likely to be fitting these kind of
Okay.
situations. Okay.
Okay.
So who's most likely to be Sanjay sir's favorite on the set?
We all want to
Sona.
believe it's us, like one of us.
But I think Sona.
Sona.
I think it's each day how
I think
we are performing.
Charmin.
I want to believe it's me.
You? No, Charmin will not say it's her because I think he would be the toughest on you from what I feel.
Yeah.
Who was it?
No,
Did
but he
scold
loves
the
you also
most?
so
Next
much.
one
He
is that.
scolded me. Yes.
Scolded you?
But not like in in a like expectation kind of way. It wasn't like he wants me to do my best also, and like he's a very hardworking person, so he needed me to put in as much hard work, and like I wanted to put in that much hard work because I just respect Sanjay sir too much. It's okay. I mean, I know what I'm gaining from whatever situation
That's true.
I'm in. Like I know I'm standing in one of the most prestigious sets I can ever be standing in, and it's a privilege.
It is gonna put us on the global map again, I'm saying.
Wow.
Who got scolded the most according to you guys?
It's not about scolding. I think just as she said, she's so honest about his work. If it's correct, it's correct. If it's wrong, it's wrong. So when you're doing a good job, he's so effusive with his praise that he'll just validate you in front of everyone,
That's true.
and that means so much. That's like winning an award.
I think everyone has gotten what everyone team seems to term as scolding, and everyone has gotten the love and the praise.
Yeah,
so I
love
think
and
Exactly.
everyone has
Exactly.
gone
प्यार
hand in
है.
hand.
Exactly.
We shot for over a year, so होना ही था एक point पे.
Absolutely.
But क्या shoot किया
Hi,
यार?
hi.
मतलब, you know, I hope I'm that fly on the wall next time.
He
when
won't
shoot
let you be
scenes.
there.
I will not write anything. I'm a good, harmless journalist. Don't you know? Who's most likely to be your favorite Hira Mandi character apart from yours?
Malika Jan.
Malika Jan.
Faridan?
Faridan.
I think it would be Richa.
Richa.
Oh yeah, even
Yeah,
Richa's
oh.
there.
I think
But
it would be
Malika
Richa
Jan.
for me.
Who's most likely to have all the industry gossip?
We didn't have time to gossip.
We didn't have. We are not interested in gossip.
But who do you think who has it? Not that you guys have to gossip, but जिसके पास सब खबर रहती है.
I think सबके पास कुछ ना
Sanjay
कुछ
knows
रहता
all
होगा.
I was just going to say. I was too scared to say it.
Sanjay knows everything that is happening around.
Most detached from the industry would know the most about the
Yeah,
industry.
he'll know everything.
Who is most likely to be a great mimic? Who can mimic others' characters really well?
I don't think anyone did any had time to do mimicry. I think we were trying to figure our own characters out. But
I don't
like
know who
I
has
think
this
I'm
hidden
decent.
talent. Could you mimic?
I could, but I don't know if I did your characters.
Yeah, but I think
I do
she'll-
other
she'll-
people.
You can mimic, na? But
Yeah, 100.
Yeah, so
we
we
were
get to-
mimicking all of you only. Like Rudrani and so Rudrani was being Manisha ma'am and I was like, आपको ये जान लेना चाहिए कि नयन नहीं हुजूर. Who is most likely to be the best dancer?
Aditi?
Aditi is a good dancer.
Yeah.
Aditi is a
I'm
very
decent.
good
I
I mean, she's good.
She's
She's
so-
I haven't
very
seen
good.
your dance.
She and Aditi both
Yeah.
Yeah,
are
you
very
are
good
fab.
dancers. Yeah.
Who and she will not take her name जहाँ पे जरूरत पड़े. Who is
लेना
most
चाहिए.
likely?
खुद का
लोगों
नाम
को बोलने
लेगा
दो
भाई.
यार, लोगों
नहीं
को
लेना
बोलने दो.
चाहिए.
who's most likely to have the most amount of problems, like दिल में दुख दर्द, ये मूवी में ये सीरीज में सबके दिल में बहुत दुख है, बहुत दर्द भी है. तो रियल लाइफ में किसके पास सबसे ज्यादा दुख और दर्द है अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
I mean, I used to be emotional about everything, but
Dukh Dard, I don't think you carry Dukh Dard.
no. Not
Listen, you get
Dukh Dard,
emotional?
just emotions.
No, I said, I think we all do.
No dukh dard.
No. Yeah,
I mean,
we don't
what is-
believe in
like
Dukh
time
Dard.
kiske
Carrying
paas
Dukh
hai?
Dard. Haan.
You can't
think
carry
kiske
the
paas
Dukh
hai?
Dard on set, I think.
Yeah.
Just leave that at home
Who's
and come.
most likely to be the funniest?
Richa, I think. is
Richa.
funny.
Richa.
ये क्वेश्चन नहीं है बट इसी के साथ एंड करेंगे. बट आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट बिकॉज वी कांट स्पीक टू मच बिफोर द रिलीज, आई होप दैट वी गेट अ चांस टू डू फुल like a scene breakdown with the entire the 6 women that have made Hira Mandi what it is, along with of course Sanjay sir and his team. But I want to tell you that the scene where you go into the water with that thing, the scene, there are many scenes, but one scene where you're just sitting and you're putting those earrings on and you're telling something to Aditi's character, I'm not going to say what, and your scene in the first episode where you are like, the shift that happens from that main chor nahi hu to whatever happens next. I feel these are powerful scenes, and kudos to the writers for writing something like this, and the world is going to see the magic on May 1st. I've actually had the opportunity to see it in 5 episodes, waiting for the next 3, but I know it's gonna be a winner. And thank you for doing this. It genuinely felt warm, and I hope we do this more often.
Thank you, Nayan.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Wonderful it was.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Gooby, a vernacular edutech brand, skilling everyone everywhere.